guys, it's Jill down at Redwater Dodge, home of the $10 oil change regulated Rams. Now we buy a Ram. I'm here to show you this 2019 Ram 1500 Sport, so let's take a peek. Under the hood you have your 5.7 liter HEMI. It is a Sport, so it's all color matched. LED headlights on this one. We'll go all the way to the side here. We actually have 22-inch fuel rims on this, and of course 37 by 12.5s. Keyless entry on either side, kickback flaps. And then all the way back here, of course, you're going to have a backup camera, dual exhaust, park sensors, and a tonneau cover. So inside the truck, it is fully loaded. You do have heated and cooled seats in this one, a 12-inch screen with navigation as well. Trailer brake controller, front and rear park sensors, lane departure, park assist, Alpine sound system, and then your sunroof. In the back seat, you're going to have a whole bunch of room for your passengers. You do have a flat floor in this one, and then, of course, underneath the floor mats, you have in-floor storage. And then you can fold these up, and this opens up for a little added storage as well. But if you want to make this truck yours, give us a call 780-942-3629.